These Dig 4 outlet manifolds are an excellent way to distribute water throughout your garden or flower bed, and they're a water-saving alternative to using sprinklers. I'm Dwayne Smith, Sprinkler Warehouse Product Specialist. Let's talk about drip manifolds. Drip manifolds like these Dig 4 outlet bubblers turn a half-inch shrub stick or riser into a mini drip system. Drip irrigation uses considerably less water than conventional sprinkler systems. By delivering water directly to the root zones of plants, drip helps eliminate problems with insects, weeds, plant diseases, and prevents wasting water due to runoff and evaporation. We have 4 different manifolds here. These manifolds are pressure compensating. Each has 4 outlets, and they're color coordinated by flow rate. Blue, 2 gallons per hour per outlet, black, 6 gallons per hour per outlet, red, 12 gallons per hour per outlet, and green, 20 gallons per hour per outlet. Quarter-inch microtubing connects to each of these barbs. Microtubing carries water from the outlets to the root zone of your plants. Depending on the flow rate of your emitters and the size of your plants, one outlet may water one plant or possibly several. For trees or large shrubs, you may need to use several outlets. When laying out your system, you want to keep the lengths of your microtubing short, 6 to 8 feet at most. For smaller plants, you'll probably want to go with something like this black 6 gallons per hour, and for larger plants, this red 12 gallons per hour is probably a better choice. To retrofit a sprinkler to a manifold, unscrew the nozzle from the riser. Next, it's a good idea to flush the line for a few seconds, shut off the water, screw the manifold onto the riser. Wiggle on some poly tubing. Just like this. Now you can run the microtubing to the plant of your choosing. At the end, you'll want to put a stake to keep the microtubing pointed at its target. We recommend putting one of these little diffuser bug caps at the end of your microtubing to keep little pests and dirt out of the tubing. It also helps prevent erosion at your plant roots. Bug caps don't restrict flow like a regular emitter. If you have enough flow to water 2 plants from one outlet, you can insert a barbed tee like this and add additional tubing to go to each plant. Another trick is to use a barbed coupler and add emitter tubing and loop that around the plant. Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions about our products, chat with one of our superb customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. For Sprinkler Warehouse, I'm Dwayne Smith. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.